Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to log into Zoom using the two ways that I do it. So the first thing that we do is you can go onto the bottom of your browser if you're using a Chromebook that you got from school and click this blue button here, blue video recorder. Then you're going to click join a meeting. Then you're going to get your member ID or meeting ID. And you're going to copy it. And you're going to paste it and push join. And then the password was Rocha, so I'm just going to write my name. And then it says, please wait, the host will be letting you in soon. So then you just wait, so like for me to let you in, and then it should prompt you some questions, and then you're in. Alright? I'm going to click leave this meeting so I can show you. The next thing I'm going to show you is by clicking the link. So if you click the link here, it'll take you to this. And it won't let me prompt it. So I'm going to wait until it gives me this option where it says if nothing prompts for the browser, click here. So I click here. Then it won't let me do anything still. So it says if you cannot download or run the application, join from browser. So I click that. And now I'm going to put in the meeting password. So it automatically should have already put the ID. And then you're going to put the password, which is ROCHA, which is my name, Rocha. And you're going to put join. And then you are going to wait until I enter you in. So if you give me 1 second, I'll click join by audio by computer. Allow. And now that I'm in, once you're in, there is a mute button here. You can mute yourself to make yourself stop talking, or you can click start video, allow your camera, and then you can see yourself in the video, or you can stop the video. Alright guys, hope this helps. Bye.